Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today on our 2013 Camry, I'm going to show you how to take the inner trunk liner down. If you need any parts to your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. Once you open the trunk, there's 13 body trim clips to take this felt liner off. Take all 13 off. Last one in the center. So line the liner up. Don't forget the pull handle for the emergency release. It's going to go right through this area. So you want to pull that through first, like that. Then line everything up. I'm going to put the center clip in first. There we go. Let go. Now we're just going to work our way around, put all the rest of the tabs back. Last one.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.